Okay, we got our hot water heater all connected, gas lines, we have our water supply lines, and so forth. I got to take a medium break here for an emergency, and I'll be back to cut in those two ball valves that I told you for supplies, the supply line and for the cold water and for the hot water side, let's put it that way. I got a small emergency, so I'll be back in about hour to finish this video. But anyway, that's the gist of it. It only took me approximately 2 hours to do the whole thing. So if that's something you're interested in doing, don't be afraid. Give it a shot. All right, guys, thanks. I'll try making some more videos in the future on other projects, okay? Take care. Good luck.